Guys, as you can see, the weather is so good and the sun is kissing my skin and it feels so good.
Hey guys, this is me and thank you for being here. As you know, I'm trying to be consistent on here as your local influencer. So welcome to my local bazaar adventure. Join me on an exciting journey as we explore the vibrant and bustling atmosphere of our local bazaar. In this video, I'll take you on a walk through the colorful stalls, showcasing the new products, delicious foods, and the rich culture that makes our bazaar a must-visit destination. I want you to experience the sights and sounds of the bazaar with me as we stroll through the lively market. From handcrafted goods to fresh products, you'll get a taste of everything this vibrant place has to offer. Also, get ready for some mouth-watering moments because I'm gonna show you some of the delicious street foods available. Discover some hidden gems and unique finds that you might not see in a typical shopping experience. I'll point out some of my favorite stalls and the amazing artisans behind them. This video is not about shopping, it's about experiencing the local culture and connecting with the community. I encourage you to walk with me, soak in the atmosphere and feel the energy of the bazaar. Whether you're local or planning to visit, I'm sure this will inspire you to explore your own local markets. And also, I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you visited a local bazaar? What was your favorite part? Share your experience with me and let's connect over our love for local culture and community. Don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures.